Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with a project share. So this is my first of several Halloween swaps that I agreed to do this year. So this is the one that I'm hosting on the PHA Crafters Facebook group, which is the 2021 PHA Quicky Cutesy Crafty Quicky Cutesy Halloween Embellishment Swap. So the whole idea of the swap was to just do something really fast. That's why it's called Quicky. Something cute, which is cutesy, and then just like one and done. So all we had to do was one embellishment. You can give more than that, but it's up to you, and you shouldn't expect anything in return. So I think I shared with you many of the different embellishments that I've been working on, and I just couldn't decide what I wanted to give my swap partners. And I ended up being with two Canadians, so I hope they like what I made for them. And I don't even know if they celebrate Halloween up there. I think they do, because Rachel is into Halloween. So hi, Rach. Anyway, so my two swap partners is Rachel from Scrappy Happy and Kathy who is Canadian Scrapper Girl. So I've been following Kathy for a really long time. I didn't even know she had joined PHA, so I was pleasantly surprised when I had to kind of move people around, and then I ended up being her partner. So I hope they like what I came up with. As you can see, I didn't follow my own rule, which is just to do one embellishment, and I really don't expect anything back. A lot of it is just I just want to make stuff, but I really don't need to have like a million of them. So I just thought that I would share some of these things with them, and I'm sending them some other things as well, like from Hawaii, and just other things that I think that they may like. So I'm not going to share that because that'll still be a surprise for them. I'm not going to actually post this until I know that they both got it. So hopefully it will be a surprise for them when they open it. So I was really inspired by Kayla, who's Kayla's Crafts here on YouTube, and she did a mini clipboard embellishment, and not an embellishment, but an embellishment holder, I guess. And I've seen her do it like for a really long time, and then now everybody is doing it, and I really wanted to make it from a while ago, and I just, then I gotta buy the bulldog clips, and I gotta do this and whatever, and so I finally did it. And so I made a whole bunch, some that are like just plain, and then that was the first ones I made, and this is the size that she actually shows in her video, her tutorial. I will link that below. But I ended up making larger sizes, and then I made some shakers, and then I did the same here. So this is the largest one because I ended up putting so much stuff. I was going to use this ones, but they were a little too small already. So anyway, that's just how I roll, I guess. So let me just share with you what I did. So I did make the clipboard, and then I was going to go with silver stuff, and then I ended up going with gold. I'm not sure how that happened. And I got the black chain that I hauled from Walmart, and I chained it across the like kind of like a shoulder, like off the shoulder kind of look, and I just added in different beads. And I've shared several times that excuse me, I'm not into the Halloween colors like orange and black, but I do that's why I like the Doodlebug collections, because it's all different bright colors. And so I tried to incorporate that on here, along with like this bat charm, and then I have this candy, and then this one I put the witch hat charm that I made earlier. See, I used silver here, but I ended up going with gold. And then I attached all of the different things I'm going to give them. So the first thing on top is a sequins mix. It's really hard to see because I used this iridescent bag, but they have those cute little kawaii candy corn that I just hauled, and then I added in just some different bright colors, and then I got the bats that I got from Target, and then some stars. So it's mostly like pink, yellow, orange, turquoise, and then black, and the holographic silver rings. So I did give them a sample of that, and then I did package up the shaker tickets that I made using the Doodlebug collection. And then this is the main embellishment that I made. So I ended up doing the gumball machine. So I was totally inspired by the Target gumball machines. And I saw a lot of people putting like other things in their actual gumball machines, like eyeballs and stuff like that. And I was like, hello, I should just make a Halloween version of it. So that's what I did. So I used a lot of the Doodlebug embellishments. I think these are mostly the sticker ones because they're smaller. This is the sprinkle, so that's more epoxy, but the other ones are more from the what is it called, it's like the mini icons, I think, and that seemed to fit better onto the project. And then my shaker mix, and this one has the pumpkins, and then it has all the bright colors again. And then I did open up that Target chipboard pack with all the Halloween embellishment, so I ended up giving them to share some of that with them. And then here's the shaker part of this one. So that's the first one. And then the second one is, it's almost the exact same thing, it's just a little bit different. So again, I did the same thing here where I have this dangle. This one, instead of the witch's hat, I attached the lollipop. It does have the bat, and then I put one of the small pumpkin charms here. And then this is the same mix. These are the tickets I'm going to give this person. This is the bubblegum machine, and then the ephemera. So and then, like I said, I do have a couple other goodies that I'm including in their package. I really wanted, I ordered these flat rate padded envelopes from the post office, and I'm out. Like, I'm waiting for it to come in, and I haven't even gotten a notice that it's on its way. So I'm really disappointed with that, but I probably could have fit more stuff into their package, but now I'm trying to limit myself to the small flat rate. So I'm going to ship these off in there along with some extra goodies, and the deadline to ship it out is September 15th. So I'm pretty sure I will meet that deadline. I'm going to try and see if these, I've never shipped international flat rate before, so I'm going to see how that works out. And if it does, then maybe I can open up some of my giveaways to Canadian, what you call it? Crafters. Sorry, I'm trying a blank. I'm really trying to get this out, that's why. So anyway, I'm so happy that I was able to swap with Rachel. I've been wanting to swap with her for a while, but I plan on doing I gotta do another package for her because this just wasn't enough space. But I'll send that out later on, Rachel. And I'm so happy to have met Kathy, so I'm going to put their links down below, and I will also link up Kayla's clipboard tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed my swap submission, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!